And coming to the domestic economy, what are the sectors that are attractive right now for investment?
I think clearly as market valuations have been higher for a long period of time and have only corrected in the past few weeks, it's difficult to really get large sectoral plays where the valuations have been very comfortable or very attractive. One subsegment of a large sector, which is banking sector, within the banking and financial services sector, is somewhat comfortable in terms of valuations. And this is also one sector which has not performed in line with the market because of the regulatory headwinds, because of the slower growth, etc. Now, some of those negatives are also turning around, and we believe that there is a reasonable valuation comfort when you look at banking within the overall market. Apart from that, there are many sectors where valuations have corrected quite nicely over the last few months. However, from here on, I think in the early part of the recovery, I don't think entire sectors participating uniformly. Usually, that happens in a bull run in a market where people believe that every equally well or similarly well, the valuation go to higher levels. But in this kind of a market, I would say that one needs to be more stock specific. Even within the sector, the performance could be quite divergent. For example, in automobile sector, two companies could be very different depending on how their volume growth is, how their profitability growth is over the next couple of years. But in a bull run, what happens is essentially the companies which are doing well will anyways get higher valuation, and people also expect some of the companies not doing so well to reach those levels over the next few years, and hence start doing those valuations. Now there has been a correction, and there has realized that the valuations were high, and we cannot continue giving those kind of valuation. With that backdrop, I would say that we may not see a sectoral moves as uniformly as what we have seen in, let's say, 2023, 22, etc. In this phase of the market. Maybe 6 months down the line, 12 months down the line, when things become better, maybe you will again get into that kind of a phase. But at least for now, I think it is better to focus on a bottom-up stock basis.
Okay.